Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Prime Video. To begin, simply navigate to the Prime Video website or open the dedicated app on your device. Ensure you are signed in with your Amazon account that holds an active Prime membership. This membership grants you instant access to a vast collection of movies and television shows included at no additional cost. Once you are logged in, exploring the library is straightforward and intuitive. You can easily browse through numerous categories, from action to comedy, or simply type a specific title into the search bar. Remember, not all content is free. Some titles are available to rent or buy, clearly marked with their respective prices. Look for the Included with Prime banner to find content covered by your membership. While watching a show or movie, you have full control over the playback, allowing you to pause, rewind, or skip forward with ease. A unique feature is X-Ray, which provides real-time information about the cast, soundtrack, and interesting facts directly on your screen. Furthermore, you can download many titles to watch them later without an internet connection, perfect for travel. To personalize your Prime Video experience, consider setting up individual user profiles for everyone in your household. This ensures each person receives tailored recommendations and maintains their own watch history. You can also easily add desired titles to your watch list, creating a custom queue of content to enjoy. For families, robust parental controls allow you to manage access to age-appropriate viewing, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.